So my cluster is created. So I can go back to my interface, go back to my environment. So I have my production environment here. And I want to create a playground one on that cluster. So clicking on clone, so production demo of, I select my cluster playground cluster, and then from that I can just right away clone it and deploy it on it. And then from that we have completely isolated the environment, so production and this playground environment in terms of network, clusters, everything. So that's great. And what we can see is that it's in deployment. So I hope you enjoyed. So if you have any questions, just feel free to ask and open a thread on our forum. And see you soon. Thanks.